What do you say, everybody? 14 Guitars here. I haven't posted videos in a while. Every year I go on a huge traveling trip for my job. It takes several weeks, and there's a lot of things I have to do up front and a lot of things I have to do afterwards. So I haven't ridden in 2 months, I'd say, probably. I think the last time I rode was Enery, and I actually rode with a guy off of Thumper Talk, and had a great time. Super nice young kid, and I'm going to get that video out probably in the next few days. Today what I'm doing is a unboxing of a mountain bike. My nephew is really into mountain bikes, and I've gone with him a few times. He's tried to kill me on these crazy downhills up in Pisgah National Forest, and I've had a lot of fun. I've always been renting bikes, and we talked about it, and he finally convinced me to buy one. So I've got a new YT Core 2 in the back in a box, and I'm going to do a little unboxing video of that. I'm not sure if I'm going to video the whole thing, you know, putting it together or not. I'm just going to, at least to start, I'm going to take the thing out of the box. I might go ahead and put it on, what do you call that, time-lapse, and just time-lapse putting it together. We'll see. I have another project. I've got to put, I'm swapping motors in my YZ250, and I've got everything out. I've completely replaced all my bearings in the swing arm and the rear shock and all of this. And I did some of you that watch my videos, you know that I did the front suspension completely a couple months ago. So now the bike has been completely gone through. I just got to get the motor back in it, and I'll be back on the YZ. So I'm really torn between doing that today and finishing that up, because literally I just have to put it back together. I got to put the motor in there and reinstall the swing arm and all that. So, or to assemble this bike. What I might do is I might just film the unboxing today, cut the video, and then do another video, get some more footage of time-lapse of putting it together, and combine that in a single video. And that may be what you're about to watch. We'll know when it's done. All right, hope everybody's having a great summer. I hope you've been able to ride. I guess it's not summer for most of you, but down here in the south, this is very summery this time of year. It's pretty hot. It's about 93 right now, and fairly high humidity. We seldom drop below 50% humidity. When you get up in the 90s and you're above 50% humidity, that can be uncomfortable for a lot of people. For me, it's inconvenient, I would say. Anyway, like I said, I hope you're all having a great summertime away from school. If you're in school, school's out, so I hope you're enjoying that. Anybody else, I hope you've been out and riding a lot. And we'll get some videos up in the next several months. And probably won't go through another period where I don't post for this long until next year, maybe around the same time, maybe around early May, something like that. Late April, early May, when I make my annual trips for my business. Hope you're all doing well. If you like my videos, subscribe, like. It helps spread the word to other people. The more you like and the more subscribers, they actually take my videos, and you know how random videos show up that are in your area of interest? They start showing up on other people's feeds, and then they can see the videos, and if they like them, they'll subscribe, and will spread the word. Like I said, hope you're all doing well. Appreciate you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. All right, let's go get our YT. The bike I've got is a YT Jeffsy's Core 2, medium. All right, I'm going to make sure this is on camera. Good enough. Evidently the UPS guys pulled a little too hard on this wrap. So I'm thinking you're supposed to open it from the other side. you guys want an outstanding knife, Benchmade Bug Out. One of the best knives. I think it's 3 ounces. Super strong. It's got a great locking mechanism. Made in the USA. I think it's probably a little over 100 bucks. Lifetime guarantee. If you send it back at any time, they'll sharpen it. Although I'm of the belief that every man should know how to sharpen a knife. So what do we have? What do we have in here? Okay, I'm going to get some clippers. Clearly, I'm not a professional unboxer. I am just thought some people who ride dirt bikes also ride mountain bikes and might be interested in what you get when you order something like this directly from the factory online. That's what I did. All right, very nice. So they got some Maxxis tires, Maxxis Minion DHR2s. And some DT Swiss rims, pretty nice. It's a 29er, so I ordered the 29er. 29er just means it's got 29-inch tires or wheels. So, all of this comes connected. And that is everything in the box. What we got here? So this is, I believe, just packaging materials. Yep, just packing materials. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recycle all this cardboard. I ship a lot of things, and so I have a box where I put all that kind of stuff to recycle that when I ship stuff, so we can put it to use. Okay, this comes with a package called Me First. Let's see what that is. Looks like instructions. RTFM. If you don't know what that means, look it up. It's pretty funny. RTFM. And I, having been in the military for 6 years on the submarine service, I definitely have heard that many times. And I believe it is a good policy to live by. RTFM every time. With anything that's complicated. All right. What do we have here? More RTFM. And a special water bottle. The distance on the bottom tube to the top tube is not very big on this particular bike. So they sell a special, include a special bottle that just fits in that area. I think it's a 600 milliliter, so a little over half a liter. And a little more than a half a quart of water. And all right, the bike itself comes with Fox suspension. It's pretty nice. I think everything is air. The forks and the shock, I believe, are both air and not coil springs. So here's the color I got, this interesting greenish color. And it's a lot flatter. I thought it would be more of a shiny color, but it's a very flat color. But you can see this thing is beefy. This is a downhill beast of a machine, and I'm going to ride it like a madman up in Pisgah with my nephew. I'm going to stop the video for now. We'll continue it when I do the full assembly of this thing. In the future, we'll do a stop frame, or a time, what do they call it, time lapse, and we'll get this thing built up. But for now, I've got to go check some cameras down in the woods where I do some camping, and that's a little bit of a drive. So great to be back. We'll see you all soon with some moto vehicles videos, and like I said, just great to be back. I enjoy my work, but it does take me away from my routine of the joyful things I do in life besides work. Take care. Bye-bye.